Understanding, specialized in, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, specialized in. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning is crucial for both professional and academic English. Let's dive in. Specialized in refers to having expert knowledge or training in a particular area or field. It's often used to describe someone's focus in their studies, career, or interests. For example, she specialized in marine biology, means that she has in-depth knowledge and training in marine biology. In professional settings, specialized in is frequently seen in resumes, job descriptions, and business profiles. It highlights expertise in a specific area, which can be critical for career advancement. For instance, our firm specializes in corporate law, indicates the firm's expertise and primary focus. In academia, specialized in is used to describe a focus within a field of study. It helps to convey a student's or academician's area of expertise. For example, he specialized in 19th century English literature, tells us about his specific area of research and knowledge. Beyond professional or academic contexts, specialized in can be used in everyday conversation to indicate a particular interest or skill. For instance, she specializes in Italian cuisine, suggests she is particularly skilled or knowledgeable about cooking Italian dishes. It's important to remember that specialized in should be used with areas of expertise, not general activities. Saying, "He specializes in walking his dog," would be incorrect, as this is a general activity, not an area of expertise. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of specialized in. Remember, it's all about highlighting expertise or deep interest in a specific area. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.